4.1 number 18 is dealing with the SR, the arc length, central angle, radius formula. And so in my head, I always have this formula memorized, in which case you could multiply by R and S equals R times theta, and you could divide by theta, which would leave R by itself. And so technically there are three different formulas, but in this particular problem we're trying to find the arc length, so let's use this formula. Now remember, in all of these formulas you're supposed to do or use the theta is supposed to be in radians. So if I was going to do this problem, I would take my R, which is 10 centimeters, I would multiply by the 135 degrees, but I would also convert that to pi over 180 degrees. Now some of you might remember from a previous class that conversion, 2 pi over 360, is in the parentheses. Totally fine, same thing. Pi over 180, 2 pi over 360, it's a sneaky form of 1. So just go ahead and do the work. So in this case, if I do the work here to simplify this, 135 is divisible by 45, and that would be 3 times. 45 goes into 180 4 times. The degree bubble goes away. And so what I end up with is 30, so 10 times 3 times pi is 30 pi over 4 centimeters. Now that is what is called an exact value because I have not approximated pi, but they want 2 decimal places in this answer. So I'm going to take that answer and go ahead and use the calculator. So you could have just used the calculator back here. Don't have to do all the simplifying work that I did. So I'm going to take 30 pi, and I'm going to divide by 4, and I get 23.5619. And if they want 2 decimal places, the 1 tells me leave the 6 alone, and so there's my answer, 23.56, and then they have the centimeters on there for you.